Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana, and today we are going to be doing
a Glossier review and whole conversationist thing.
Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a Glossier haul and wear test and let you guys know how I feel about their products. Alright, so if you guys can't tell from the title, I went to Glossier. If you guys haven't already watched my New York City vlogs, I went to the Glossier store in New York City and it was honestly iconic. I'm going to insert some footage from the store right now. So pretty much I went to the store. It was really pretty. There was like a little bit of a line there. It took like 10 minutes. Honestly, they didn't really need the line, but I feel like you need to hype it up. But yeah, so I have my bag here. I'll do a little haul for you guys, and then I'm going to try it on. What is this, a clothing haul or something, Tatiana? But whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to put it on for you guys. I have my makeup on right now, except for the products I'll have to use. And I'll let you guys know how I feel about them, because I've only worn them once before, so I'll give you guys the real review. So starting with the haul, we got our bag here. So they just give you this like cute little like bag. It's kind of looks older now because I came back from New York like a week ago.
About a week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweak it.
Or 2 weeks ago. But yeah, so inside of it, it comes with two things. Get rid of that horrible bag. My mom just got a few of these. They're literally like postcards. Well, it comes with a sample of their Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. I'm gonna maybe use this tonight when I come home to take off my makeup. And then you can get like these little postcards. So super cute. I love when I have someone's nose. Just, yeah. Am I her? I'm just gonna stop trying to pretend to be funny, but the main event, this is what I wanted for so long, because I know so many people tell me that this bag is what they use to literally travel with, because they have, it's a little, you know, little zipper thing, and then they have a bubble wrap inside of it, so as long as you don't press on it too hard. I don't want to break it, they do. Ooh, I broke one. Wow, I'm an idiot, but oh. But yeah, so they have that inside, and then they have products. So I got 3 things from them. Gonna keep this. So I got the Glossier Boy Brow in the color Blonde. I also got the Haloscope Dew Effect Highlighter in the color Quartz. And then I also got the Glossier Cream Blush in the color Beam. Alright, so I have my makeup on right now, so I put on the whole shebang, like the primer, foundation, concealer, lipstick. I put on contour and eyeshadow and mascara, but I'm going to use these products and tell you guys how I feel about them. So I guess we're going to first start with blush because that makes the most sense, but I'm going in with the Glossier, I don't even know what the heck this is called. Cloud Paint, that's what it's called, Cloud Paint. I like this packaging, I don't want to throw it out, but I feel like I will. And it's pretty small, like, I mean, I'm going to put up on the screen how much each product is while I'm using it, because I don't know what it is converted to Canadian, but I'm going to do the US and Canadian prices because, girl, I'm looking out for these Canadian girls, when I got them in the States. But yeah, so we're going to try out this first. This is like a really nice peachy color, so let's see how we like it on the cheeks, because I've been really liking some color, too. Make myself not look like a ghost. I think I just took, like, way too much. Yeah, but let's see. I'm just gonna take my mirror here and I'm really scared about this. I don't want to put that much on because I'm going out, so I'm just gonna take way less. Alright, so I just put it on. I feel like you can't tell because I'm looking at the viewfinder. It looks really pinky, but in the mirror it looks more like, I feel like it's slowly soaking into my skin. and it's not bad. It's definitely like the blush is there, and I took way too much of it. Like I have so much on my fingers right now because I got so scared. I didn't realize how fast the product would come out. But it's really nice. I'm actually happy because I didn't have to use a brush. At first I thought I'd use like a stippling brush, but I kind of use like the fingers because the warmth really puts it in. But you definitely can make it. I'm just like not an intense girl, and I still think this isn't like a lot of blush. But sorry, I'm talking like this because I have it on my hands. I'll have to wash it off for these other products. But I actually really like that product. I feel like oh, I just practically died. It's fine. I'm fine. But yes, as I was saying, before I almost died, was that it's really nice. I feel like it's very like light coverage if you want, and then very buildable if you want it. So I think that's super nice, and it's like, I like Glossier because if you're going for Glossier, you're not going for that intense makeup look, which I feel like that cloud paint totally does. You can like really build it up if you want like intense makeup, but you definitely don't. Like you can use your fingers for it. It looks really good and best when you use your fingers, and that's what I kind of like about all their products. It's super simple and also easy for like normal makeup goers, so I absolutely love that color. I wasn't sure how I felt kind of about this peachy color because I thought it was going to be really a lot on me, but I really love this color on me. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the Haloscope highlighter in the color Quartz. I'm super excited about this. It's kind of like a cream highlight, which again is like a very more natural thing. We're gonna see if I have to like build a highlight on top of it. I'm gonna see how it works obviously, but it looks super cool. You just screw it up and just like looks like that kind of. Really like the blush, so let's put this baby on. Alright, so I love this highlight. I feel like it looks really like natural, dewy, and glowy. I don't even know. So what I did was I kind of dabbed it on, as you guys saw, instead of just like swiping it because I don't want to like ruin my makeup. But then what I did after, because you got a few of those like, it just like was very structured circles from it, I just like patted in. It does feel very like not sticky, kind of more like creamy, and I like everything on my face being like set, so I think I'm definitely going to, with the blush it was okay, but I feel like with this cream highlight I'm going to put on top now a highlighter. I'm going to use a Becca Champagne Pop, just see how that works. I like this, and I wear it on a daily basis, but I guess if I'm going out, like I'm going to a bar tonight, then I'm gonna want it to be more like matted down and not like humidity and glowiness. So definitely put that on. We're gonna see how like they mix together, but this is still like a definite win. And I know that a lot of people have had like, I guess, I don't know, I've heard people like not like it, I don't know, I've never really looked into why people don't like it, but I definitely like it. I've worn it only once before and I didn't wear like any highlight on top of it, just that, and it was super nice. I looked super glowy and dewy the whole day, and it wasn't like I needed it matted down when I was during the day, so I love this product. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with the highlight and see how this goes on top of it. Alright, so it's like really intense and I just feel like it sticks a lot to it, so I'm just gonna dab it in a bit so it's not like a harsh line where my highlight ends. But other than that, girl, this is super nice. It really helps attain the highlight to stick to your face for sure, and it like, you're just gonna have a pop in highlight, and I love it because it doesn't look insane either. And I think like by having a damp beauty blender and doing that too, woo, you just look so glowy. Like I'm looking at the viewfinder right now and girl, I love this. So again, I'm so happy right now with these two products. So now let's move on to the last one. Alright, so the last one, I think probably what made them the most famous was their Boy Brow, and I got it in the color Blonde. And I'm really excited about this. I use it all the time. I've used it like twice, but this reminds me kind of the Benefit brow in the shade 3 that I use, but this is just a little more natural but better, I feel like. So let's figure this out. So I don't have any product in my eyebrows right now. I was blessed with kind of like thick brows, like good coloration, but I definitely have some like sparse areas, so I like when it gets filled in. So let's see if it does that. Alright, so you can already hard to even tell from the difference between the two. It helped fill in a bit of sparse areas, but it's not like, ooh, you just filled in your eyebrows, which I love. So this product, it just... I honestly love this product because it just fills in sparse areas, it mats it down, it's like a gel almost, and it looks really natural because when I fill it in usually, it still looks natural, but you can tell like they're filled in a bit and like they're really structured, but this I just feel like is the perfect amount for daily use and nighttime use too. I used it once on top of when I filled it in with a pencil, so I definitely love this. So again, a big thumbs up. Alright you guys, so I was super impressed with all of them. I put the prices beside all of them for you guys so you knew how much they were Canadian and US. I think they're reasonably priced, especially for how much product is each thing. Like that tube for the blush is going to last you so long. That boy brow as well is going to last you a time. And then the highlight too, like you're literally dabbing on. It's so worth the money and it's not like really high end, but it's obviously not drugstore. I think it's totally worth it. It depends also on your makeup style. Think about that. So if I'm going out at night like when I want to go like clubbing or something, I'm definitely not going to have that type of natural makeup, but I can still incorporate it into it. But for a daily basis, this stuff is amazing. I love Glossier. I definitely want to try to purchase more stuff from them and try it out more. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video because I've always looked into Glossier and wanted to know reviews before I bought it because it's still like newer. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!